Hello guys, I am a crypto miner, and I am mining CoinShebi, the native token of a crypto exchanger CoinShebi. I hope that you know that the native token are not less than $5. So if you mine some coins from native crypto exchange and native CoinShebi, you will be able to sell this coin more than $5 in a short period of time. To start mining, you need to go to the Google Play. After that, search CoinShebi on the Google Play Store. This is the app. You can install this app from Google Play. Then after installing the app, you will open it. After opening, you will see this window, login or register. You need to login or register with your Google account. Click this and start with your Google account. You will see the Google account list here. If you have multiple Google account, then you need to select one. When signing up, use my referral code 52709586. Once again, 52709586. This is my referral code. If you direct it to this, then after refreshing the app, go to the main menu. From your profile, from main menu, go to your profile, then come to the drop down number 3, identity verification level 0. Click here. From here, go to verify now. Select your country. That means you have to select your own country. Okay. From the drop down list, find your own country and select it. Click next. Your first level of KYC verification is